Here are some of the reasons why people of Isla love the island.
I love staying in Isla de Rafica because it's more than just a game for me. It's where I first met different kinds of people and learned how to interact, make friends, and enjoy being playful with others. It gave me experiences that I never thought possible in real life, moments that felt magical and unforgettable. Most importantly, it is the place where I met the person I love today and where our story began. Through this virtual world, I also met people from all walks of life who have become a meaningful part of my journey. And these connections are something I will carry with me even beyond the game into real life.
Why do you love Isla de Rapica? Ito yung una naging comfort zone ko. Dito ko naging close sa mga tao na ano ako. Lagi ang ganda ng pagka-welcome dito sa isla kumpara sa ibang sa Isla de Rapica lang ang merong gutter, sa ibang room wala kang makikita, kaso maganda din ang pag-welcome sa ibang room. Hindi ko naman inaano ang isla tapos marami akong nakilala dito, halos lahat ng tao sa isla naging close ko, naging friends ko, as in yun lang.
I love Isla de Rafica because this island reminds me of calmness after a storm. I found peace and happiness with my new friends here.
Isla Rapica, kung saan ang room ay nagkakaisa at comfort zone ng bawat isa. At may mga kaibigan na handang makinig sa'yo. Kaya nagustuhan ko ang isla dahil nagkaroon ako ng matatalik at mapagkakatiwalaan na kaibigan. At kakwentuhan ko sa lahat ng bagay.
Even though I'm not always active in real life, one thing that I really like about Isla de Rafica is how welcoming it is. Like, it doesn't matter if you're a newbie or just someone exploring or is already active. Everybody is welcome as long as you're open-minded and is also willing to get to know others.
There are many reasons why I feel in love with Isla. The respect in being hospitable. You can see inside the isla, you can see the respect toward each other, the bonds that they have, and the hospitable that they are giving, like they are welcoming you with warm hugs.
Isla de Rafica is not just an island, it's our home. Here, we laugh together, support one another, and create memories that make this journey special. We are family. Family means more than just being together. It means lifting each other up. In Isla de Rafica, we stand as one.
I love Isla de Rafica because it was my first home and become a family here in real life. The people here are kind, cheerful, and loving.
Why do I love Isla de Rafica? Because Isla is the safe space I've always needed, and I'm grateful for the friendship that feels like home.
Isla de Rafica is the first community I've joined on this platform, and it's very welcoming. You can have a great time every time you join our room, and I look forward to interacting with everyone.
Bakit ko naging mahal yung isla? Kasi simula nung napadpad ako sa isla at binuksan ni Nanay Rapica yung bote, naging masaya ako doon, tsaka nagkaroon ako ng maraming tunay na kaibigan. Ayun lang.
Why I love Isla? First of all, I love Isla because sa isla ko naramdaman ang pagkakasiyahan, pag-e-enjoy ng pakikipag-usap at pakikipag-halubilo sa ibang tao. Dito din sa isla nawawala ang stress dahil sa isla masaya, laging masaya, at mag-e-enjoy ka talaga kapag sa isla ka. At syempre dahil naging close na ako sa mga tao na sa isla, tinuturing ko na sila
why I love Isla de Rapica. Kasi ito yung naging bahay ko during my tough times. Naging refuge ko ang isla ng mga panahon na I'm so down, nowhere to go somehow. Dito ko rin nakilala yung mga tao tinuturing ko, pamilya, kapatid, magulang, yung companion. Alam niyo naman, I'm so thankful sa mga admins at lalong-lalo na kay Ate Rapica na very welcoming and very accommodating. I'm proud ka, Isla.
Bakit nga ba mahal ko ang Isla de Rafica? Simple lang yan eh. Sa isla mo kasi makikita yung respeto, pagmamahal at tiwala sa mga tao. Sa isla mo rin matatagpuan yung tinatawag na peaceful at ituturing kang pamilya. Yung tatanggapin ka ng buo, mapabago man o mapaluma. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung mga advice at aral na natutunan ko sa isla.
Sa Isla de Rapica, naramdaman ko yung pangalawang pamilya na nakakaramdam ako ng may kaibigan ako, may magulang. Tapos lahat ng problema ko, nasasabi ko sa kanila, happiness. Tapos yung sadness ko, nakakaisa sa Isla de Rapica. Lalo na pagkakaunawaan sa bawat isa. Nakakabigay ng inspirasyon sa bawat isa.
As an owner of Isla de Rafica, I would like to thank everyone for being part of Isla, our home, our place, and a safe zone for everyone. Thank you.